Peace and happiness to all of you that are watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any product into a video. So let's say, for example, if you are selling merchandise, right? So let's say you have an e-commerce store and you're selling t-shirts or any other merchandise, right? You're selling hats, shoes, or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to turn that image, right? So you're going to upload your image. So let me just show you what we're going to do, right? We're going to upload the image or the product. So whatever product that you're selling, are you selling stuff on Instagram? Are you selling services? Whatever you're selling, I'm going to show you how to turn it into a video ad with no editing skills, with no cameras, with no camera crew, with no post editing. This is all AI. AI is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to have any technical skills. You don't need to have any skills when it comes to AI. AI is doing all the heavy lifting. Now, let me just show you some sample videos, right? So this is what you can expect. So here's a video that we created. So here is a product that we uploaded. So the product was a vest, right? So this is one of the brands that we helped. So this brand here, this company here is selling merchandise. So one of the brand is called Crown Don't Make You King. So they wanted us to create some content for them. They wanted us to turn their images into a video, into commercial. So what we did was we took the product. So where it is, right? Here it is. So we took the product and then we created this video. We created many videos, but I'm just going to show you some samples so you can see what you can do with AI. Okay.
You don't become stronger by wishing, only by showing up.
There's a vest right there.
Consistency turns effort into identity.
Crown Don't Make You King.
Leadership is built, not worn.
So that's just one video, right? And there's many other videos that we did for this client, right? Let me just show you another one. Here's another one right here. All right. See? There it is. So this was all AI. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a live test. I'm going to do a walkthrough. I'm going to walk you through it, showing you how to do it. You don't need any technical skills, no editing, all AI. AI is doing all the heavy lifting. Now, just before I begin, make sure you go visit our website, right? blackbusinessaicanada.com. If you want to know how to use AI, because what we do is we empower Black entrepreneurs through AI innovation. So if you want to know more about AI, how to do all the setup, right? What products to use or what tools to use, then that's what Black Business AI is about. The link is going to be below in the description section. Now, you can be in the US, you can be in Canada, in Brazil, in Uganda. You can be anywhere in the world. If you want to know how to learn, if you want to learn how to use AI, then go visit Black Business AI Canada. We have a learning community that you can join, or you can contact us if you want any services such as workshops, consulting, and advisory. Because listen, AI is here to stay. If you're a small business owner, if you're not using AI, you're not taking advantage of the technology. So let me create this first product. Okay. So here's the first product. This is what we're going to do. We're going to upload a product, right? Very simple. This is a very straightforward, nothing too technical. We're just uploading an image, right? Because remember, what are we doing? We're turning any product into a video. So let's upload the product. Okay. Let's create it manually. So these are some of the products that we've already uploaded, right? So here's the vest that we uploaded, but I'm going to upload another product, right? So let's upload, right? Let me upload this hoodie. So we're going to upload this hoodie. Okay. There it is. So the hoodie. So it's uploading right now. Now, if you want to know more on how to set this up, that's why we have you can visit our website, Black Business AI Canada. Because we have some tutorials and training inside our learning community. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to upload. Now, in the meantime, as I said, let me show you some other videos that we did. Right. So as you can see here, these are all the videos that we did for this client. Right. So remember the client, right? They have a brand. The name of the brand is called Crown Don't Make You King, and they sell merchandising. So they're in the print on demand business. So they needed content. They needed to they wanted some content to post on social media such as Instagram, Facebook for their brand, right? So this is what we did for them. So we created we created different types of videos. So let me just show you some other videos that we did, right? So they also have shoes. So we created right?
They don't hand it to you.
See, this was all AI. There was no editing, just a prompt.
You
You
earn
see?
every door. Crown don't make you king.
I'm just gonna let that play again.
They don't hand it to you.
I'm just showing you what you can do with AI.
You earn every door.
Okay.
Crown
All
don't
right.
make you king.
So this is what you can do with AI, right? You can leverage AI to promote your brand. It could be your brand, it could be your service, it could be your business, it could be whatever it is that you are, whatever business that you're doing right now, you can leverage AI for that. Okay, so it's still loading. I don't know why it's taking so long. Checking content. Okay, product name, hoodie. All right, just say hoodie. Okay, description, just gonna say, premium. We're just gonna call it, just say hoodie. Just keep it simple. Okay, create product. Okay, so it's still okay. Let's see, because it's still checking product. All right, so looks like it's good. So what I'm gonna do is, so the next step is I'm just gonna select this now. Okay, and then okay, so the product is selected. Let's see, is there anything else that we need to select? Okay, so there's nothing else that we need to select. So we just selected the product. I'm gonna X out. So I'm gonna exit from this. So there's our product right there. So now I need to choose my avatar. Your avatar is your model, right? So they have different types of model that you can use, or you can upload your own, right? As you can see here, you can create your own avatar. So you can upload your own, you can even upload your own image, your own picture. So if you want to show yourself, if you want to display yourself wearing your own merchandise, so you just need to upload an image of yourself, right? A picture of yourself or anything else. So as you can see here, there's different models that you can select from, okay? So I'm going to choose this. This is one of the models that we have. Okay, I'm going to select this. So now we have our product and we have our avatar, right? And that's pretty much it. So now here you can choose how long. So if I click on this little toolbox, I can select how long I want the video for, right? You want it 10 seconds, you want it 15 seconds. So we're going to go 15 seconds, right? And we're going to do aspect ratio widescreen, because you can select different aspect ratio, right? You can do square, you can do vertical, right? Landscape and all that. Now, if you are not sure about aspect ratio, you can just put auto, right? You can just select auto and let the AI decide based on your product, right? But because I know what I want, I'm going to go with the wide aspect ratio. So I'm going to click that, and it's 15 seconds. So with 15 seconds, it's going to cost me, it's telling me 53 credits, right? So 53 credit. I'm going to show you how the credit system works later on. But right now for this video, I just want to show you how easy it is to turn any product into a video ad, right? Leveraging AI, okay? So we have our product, we have our avatar, that's it. I haven't even given any description, no detail, no instruction. I just uploaded the product, okay? And then we're going to go generate, right? Because before we generate, right, you can select, as you can see here, generate across format. So you can select different types of video that you want to create. As you can see here, right, it's telling you, you can do unboxing, right? You can do hyper motion, which is commercial. You can do UGC. UGC stands for user generated content, right? You can select, right? So you can select any of these video examples or templates, right? Virtual try-on, unboxing. So it's telling you what you can select. So I selected Pro Virtual Try-on. So professional virtual try-on, try-on, right? You can do, right? So you can select any of these templates or any of these formats here, right? And then you just tell it, and then you just upload your product. So let me stop talking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit generate, right? And then it should take about less than 5 minutes. Okay. So there we go. So it's generating, it's processing. Now, as you can see, all we did was we uploaded the product and we chose our avatar. So your avatar is your, the model or the, right? Because you can upload your own image. You can upload your own, right? A picture of yourself and have the platform or have this AI, basically have you wear that product, right? So you can choose the avatar or you can select your own avatar. So now that it's processing, right? Let me just go back to just show you what we've done for our clients, right? Here's a virtual try-on for, right? Here's a client that's selling, here's a merchandise that they're selling. They were selling this vest here or jacket. right? So there we go, right there, right? It took less than 2 minutes, right? And you, as you can see here, all we did was we just uploaded the image and we selected the model. That's it. Listen, this is where AI is heading. If you're a small business owner, you need to start learning. You need to use this technology, because if you're not using this technology, your competitors are using this technology. If you're not using this, because AI is cutting down cost in terms of video production, in terms of now you don't even need a video producer anymore, right? You can be your own producer. You can be your own director, right? You can be, creating different types of video content for your brand. So here's the shoes. Here's one of the here's the shoes that we created.
Tops are so comfy. Memory foam insole, grippy rubber sole, and that maple leaf detail. These buffalo plaid high tops are so comfy.
Now remember, there was no camera crew, so we didn't hire any camera crew. We didn't hire any videographer or photographer or editing. So we didn't do any editing. No manual editing, no post editing, no editing skills at all. We just leverage AI to create all these different content that you're seeing here, right? Because our customer or our clients, they wanted to create content for social media, right? They're selling a brand. So here's another one here, right? That's the hat.
I've been looking for a hat that actually fits my vibe.
Look at how real this looks.
Don't make you king, you do. Link in my bio.
Okay. Now let me see. Let me go back to our. So it's still generating. Okay. While it's generating, I'm just showing you some different samples of what you can do. Right. Let's see here. Okay. Is this another one? Okay. Yeah. Let's go here. Look at that. Right. This is all AI, people. There's no camera crew, right? This person doesn't even exist. This is not a real model. The product is real, right? The vest or the jacket, right? And now let me show you something landscape. Let's see here, right? Okay, is this landscape, right? Yeah, let me see. Let me just show you something here that's widescreen. Okay, there we go. This is all AI. All AI. Right? So you can turn any product into a video, into a commercial, into a professional commercial. Right? Here's another one. Right? As you saw, all we did was what? All we did was just upload. We just uploaded the product. That's it. We didn't even give any prompt, any instruction, or any detail. We just uploaded the product and we chose the model, and then that's it. And then it gave us a video, and then you see you can download it and then upload it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever platform whatever social media platform that you're using right now. Okay. So let me check on our product again. Okay, so it's still generating, right? Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but look, but there's no heavy lifting on your end. The AI is doing all the heavy lifting. So I'm just going to continue to show you the different types of products that we created. Okay, here's a commercial that we did right? Right? So this is all AI. All we did, same thing. We just uploaded the product. Here's the product here. And then that was pretty much it. Okay. Let me just see. All right. I'm just going through it quickly here. This is the power of AI, right? So that's why, as I said, we, Black Business AI Canada, we're here to empower Black entrepreneurs through AI innovation. We want to show you how to leverage these platforms, right? How to leverage this platform to create content, to create product, to create merchandise, to create video ads, to create commercials, whatever. Now, look at this. It's not just videos. You can create different types of assets, right? It could be images as well, right? So for example, here, right? Where is it? Okay, let me show you, right? So you can create you know, you can create this ad right here, right? Look, all we did was we just uploaded the image, and then it created the ad. Now, this format, what we did was we used Claude, right? We used Claude to write the description, but everything's automated, right? So inside Claude, we uploaded that image, right? And we told Claude, create an ad product for this attachment. That was the prompt that we gave Claude. Very simple. Nothing too meticulous, nothing too thorough. Just a simple prompt. Create an ad product for this attachment. And what is the attachment? We uploaded this image here. And then Claude, right? Claude came up with the concept. It came up with the storyline. It came up with the copy or the text overlay, and then it created the product here, right? And as you can see here, if I go back here, there it is right here, right? So there's a way to connect this website or this platform, this AI platform, to Claude, and that's what we talk about in our community, inside the learning community. So if you go to blackbusinessaicanada.com, right? That's what we talk about. How to use Claude, how to use all these different platforms, right? So this is the name of this platform is called Higgsfield.ai. So if you go to Higgsfield.ai, right, this is what the platform looks like, right? But if you go, like, once you land in once you visit the website for the first time, it looks very, right? It looks very convoluted, or it looks very, it's very complicated at first, right? At first sight, it's complicated because there's so many things happening all at the same time. There's so many different, right? But that's why we're showing you, right, inside our academy or inside our learning community, right? Any questions you have about AI, that's what we're here for. blackbusinessaicanada.com. The link is going to be below, because we want to show you how to leverage AI so you can get the best return on investment from it, right? So we're not just throwing tools at you. We're showing you the tools that you need to, to scale, to start your business, to grow your business, right? So if you're a small business owner in Canada, in the US, in Africa, abroad, and you need AI, whether it's consulting or workshop, that is geared, that is, that is catered towards you as a small business owner, as a black business owner. That's why we're here. blackbusinessaicanada.com. The link is going to be below. Now, let me go back here. Let me just see here. We're still waiting for okay. So our product is ready, right? It took what? Less than 20 minutes or even 50 minutes, because I was doing a lot of talking. Okay. So now let me click on it. I'm going to do it. Okay. Let's go full screen. There's our merchandise right there, right? Look at that. Let's let it play again. Look at the video, right? So you can take this, send it, you can go on Instagram, Facebook, and upload your product. It took less than 15 minutes for this. Right? I'm going to let it play again. Look at that. Look how ultra realistic this looks. Right? We got our character, we got our product, and look at the detail, right? You can even see that's the product that we uploaded. Crown don't make you king, right? So listen, this is where technology is going. No video shoot, no camera crew, no video production crew, no editing crew, just AI. Right? So now it's really on you. What are you going to do? Like, what are you waiting for? If you're a small business owner, what are you waiting for? Because AI is enabling anyone, right, who has access to a computer, internet, to produce these types of content, to produce these types of production. So now you can be a producer. You can produce high quality videos, high quality commercial, high quality ads, right? You can produce high quality, you name it, right? And all we did was what? We didn't even give it any prompt. There was no instruction. We just uploaded our product. You can see here is our product. And then we chose our model. And then we generated the video in less than 15 minutes. I'll say less than 15 minutes, right? And you see, you can even regenerate it again, right? So if anything is missing, you can, for example, right? Because I noticed that there was an extra, they added some stars on the sleeve. I can just regenerate it again and say, hey, make sure, right, remove these stars on the sleeves, right? But this is AI. Because listen, if you were to hire a production team, a camera crew to do this, it will cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000. It would take about 3 weeks, right? Because there's a lot of logistics moving, you got to be moving back and forth, location and all that stuff, right? But now we created in less than 15 minutes. Right? So there it is, right? And so right now, let me show you something. The platform that I'm using, look at this, right? The starter plan costs $15 per month. So with $15 per month, you can create, now, let's say you have the starter plan, right? You paid $15, you're paying $15 every month. One video, this video here, to get a video producer, to get a camera crew, or to get a production crew to create this video, you're spending anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000, and it depends on the length of it, right? Because there's, depending on the location, right? But now with AI is making it so easy that anyone that has a computer, right? Anyone that has a computer, anyone that has a, right, let me just go back to it here. Anyone that has internet access can create content at scale, right? So for $15 a month, you can produce high quality videos, right? With AI, leveraging AI. As you can see here, let me go back to it here. Not only videos, you can create images, you can create posts, you can create ads, right? You can create, right? So here's another video that we created.
Y'all asked where I got this vest. Crown don't make you king.
So as you see here,
This is a mindset you wear. This is a mindset you wear. Link in bio, limited drop.
all AI, all right? And then here's another one. Let me show you the other commercial that we did, right? This is all AI. No film crew, no camera crew. Right? Very simple. That's it, right? So this one, what we did was we also used Claude, right? So we uploaded the product inside Claude, and then Claude came up with the prompt, right? As you can see here, here's the, it's a long prompt. We didn't create the prompt, right? We didn't write this prompt. It was Claude that came up with the prompt. So you can use this product inside Claude, right? You can automate the whole process, right? You upload your image inside Claude, for example, here, right? There it is right here. Upload your image. So let me show you, for example, here's another one, right? So make me an ad. So this is inside Claude, right? So all we did was we just uploaded the image. Here's a vest, Canada vest. So we told Claude, make me an ad for this product. Look at that. It's a very simple prompt, right? Just a simple prompt. Make me an ad for this product, right? And then Claude did its thing, and then it created these, right? This is what it created.
This Canada puffer vest, maple leaf logo, bold stripes, and that Canada back. So good.
Right? So this is inside Claude, all right? And then here's another one here.
This Canada puffer vest is my rink essential. Warm, cute stripes, and that maple leaf. Obsessed.
Okay, so what is the difference between doing it within inside Claude and then also doing it, creating it with, by just using the platform? Well, the difference is when you use it inside Claude, right? Claude is a large language model. Claude is also an AI, right? So with Claude, you can actually be more specific. So you can tell Claude, hey, create me an ad for this product. Have this person be wearing it at, inside a mall. So you can kind of give Claude some more details, and then Claude is going to take that detail and then it's going to come up with a storyline, right? If you're doing it here you just upload the product, and then the AI will decide the format, right? With Claude, you can upload the product and then you give Claude some details about it, right? It doesn't have to be very meticulous. It can just be you just giving it some clues. Hey, can you make this product do this? Can you make, right? So basically you're talking to Claude, and then Claude comes up with the it comes up with the prompt, and then it sends that prompt to this platform here, and then this platform does its thing, right? But it's really up to you. That's how we use it. We use it here at blackbusinessai.com